today we're going to do the bubble lab. This is another example of constant speed. In today's activity, what you'll be doing is using the bubble tubes to do a bubble lab. These tubes, and I have various colors, are very expensive and fragile, so please treat them appropriately. Here are some do's and don'ts. Do be gentle with the tube. Don't use it as a sword, cane, or other weapon. It is not a lightsaber. Don't put pressure on the ends. Don't lean on it. Don't push it down too hard. Don't try to bend it or break it, because it will bend or break. And like I said, they're very expensive. Don't try to open it. Okay? Be gentle with the tubes. Here are your instructions. You will be doing at least 3 colors of tubes. I don't care what the colors are as long as they're all different. Be sure to record what color you are doing. These are the supplies you're going to need. 1 bubble tube at a time. Don't go get 3. I don't have enough for every group to do that. So 1 at a time. And then trade with a group near you. 1 dry erase marker, 1 dry erase eraser, and 2 people. So this is a 2-person project per group, but everybody does their own assignment. All right, so gathering your supplies. After you get everything, I'm going to turn on the metronome. Metronome is just a device that clicks however often I tell it to, every minute. I'm going to turn this one on to click once every second. You're going to hold the tube vertically, and every time you hear the click, you're going to mark the tube with the dry erase marker at the top of the bubble. So notice on this one, if I heard that click, I would mark it right on top of that bubble. You're going to make a minimum of 10 marks so that you can gather some data from it. Gathering that data. To get your data off of your tube, you need to get a meter stick. They're back in the back corner. You put the meter stick of 0, you put the 0 of the meter stick on the first mark on your tube. And you read the meter stick based on where the marks are. And you're going to read this in centimeters. And you're going to record all of that data on the Google Sheet that has been shared with you through Google Classroom. So you're going to need to go to Google Classroom and open that assignment. It's called the Bubble Lab. The Google Sheet is a template of what you're going to be filling in. You will end up recording the color of your bubble tube and then the measurements. And you can fill this in as you read them off of the meter stick. You don't have to write them on paper and do it after. Then you're going to calculate the velocity of each bubble. Finally, you're going to make an XT graph showing all 3 tubes. All right, thanks for watching.